There we go, fish on, baby. Little guy. So striper, another one, 2 days in a row. Love it. Just gonna measure them for the hell of it. If I can find my tape measure. What we got here? About 17 and a half, just short of 18. Let him go. Right, topwater fish. Another fish on. Oh no, still got him. Still got him. That little guy. Come on, get out of there. Bad. Oh shit. Where is my swim bait? Holy crap. Holy crap. You didn't want to miss that meal. Probably about another 18, 19. A little schoolie, let him go. Oh, there he goes. All right, a couple more casts out here. Then I'm gonna try a little top water before that sun goes down. Oh, there we go. Hey! A little striper on the top water. Nice. Easy, bro. Yeah. That was cool. Relax, bro. Go. Little guy, top water. Turn it on. Yeah, there's another swirl. Damn. Bam, there we go. Hook up. Yeah. Found a little school. They're hitting them one after another after another. All right, bro. Let's get you out of here. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Ah, my bad. My bad. My bad. There we go. Another little guy. Top water, small but fun. Get him back in. Watch this. Bam! Fish on, baby. There we go. Top water stripers. Guy feels a little better right here. Yeah, he's a little huskier. Oh yeah, that's decent right here. Little stripe. I don't know if you guys see it, it's getting dark. But I am gonna catch him until I can't see no more. Another one. This is just too much fun. This is just too much fun. Oh, there's another nice one right. Oh! Alright, chill, bro. Oh, he's feisty. Another little guy. I love this, man. You gonna hit it? No. Oh, come on. Come on, guys. Somebody gonna swallow it? 2 treble hooks? I can't get a fucking hook set. There we go. There's another one. Oh, this is too much fun. Oh man, he choked that. I'm begging him for to hit it. I hit that shit a little too much. Alright, little guy. Missed my chances of fish. Ain't got much light left. Oh, got one. Another one. Another guy. I don't know if you guys can see, man. I'm trying. If you can see, you can. If not, there we go. Oh, decent. Almost, it might be 18 right here. What the hell you got going on here? one. There we go. Woohoo! Look at him go. Last fish of the night. He's bigger. All right. Thank you, Mr. Striper. It's late. I gotta go eat. I got dinner. Work in the morning. Maybe back out to do it again. Mosquitoes tearing me up.